Hi everybody, welcome back to Movie Girl Lisa 007 ring display part 2. Well, I got the cones in today, but as you can see, these are very tiny. But I think they will do the job because when I test it out, that's what it'll look like. Let me see if you can see that up close. Move this out of the way. There we go. I guess that's the right size. This size is small, and it's 1 millimeter, I guess, 1 inch, and it was made in China. And but the cones came out very nicely. I only ordered one set because I thought 12 pieces was enough. Let's count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. As promised, here are my cones. They came today on Monday, but I was late in getting it. And here's our picture frame. I'll hold it up so you guys see it. This is a picture frame. Let's take it out of the package. I'm going to do this a little bit off camera. How's everybody doing today? Is everybody doing good? Take me a few minutes to get this thing open. I always take my time. Plus I struggle through. There we go. Alright, let's get to work. Let's move these cones out of the way. Here it is, all open. Go to the back. Push open these stuff. You won't be needing the back frame. Sometimes they hurt when you do it like this. Do a little bit of a helping hand. That's not gonna work. No, that's not gonna work either. There we go. I use my fingers. Alright, let's take that out. Now, what do you think? Does white look better, or does I cut the felt to the right size so that it saves me a little bit of time. And I think the green felt will cut a little bit more with the roto cutter that was here for me. Cut it a little bit, just a little bit more. Take that aside. There we go. If the size is too big or too small, what you want to do is make it fit right. If it's still a little bit too big, take your roto cutter and cut about like this size, maybe less than an inch or a centimeter. Press it back in. There we go. Maybe a little bit more. Place it down nice and flat. Use these pegs to hold it in. You don't really need to glue it down. What we do need to do is get it in there somehow. And you can always change out the fabric, but I'm going to keep the fabric as green. turn on my glue gun. Don't forget you want one of these. Sorry for the noise. And got a lot of stuff here. Turn the glue gun on. But I will do, well, this is while the glue gun is heating up, we can place it on the mat to see where it's going to go. And like maybe around here. I think that will look nice. What do you think? There we go. Maybe take the bottom and glue it. There you have it. Shut your glue gun off. That took about maybe a couple of minutes. And then fix up any problems you may have. Take out the hairs. There we go. The hair is almost gone. Just a few more. There we have it. Here is our ring tray. This glue gun is really strong, so you gotta be careful. Well, we'll just put one in. Well, before we shut it off, we missed one, so I'm gonna do one last one. All right. There we go. Put everything down. Take out the glue here. That's what nobody tells you, that there's a lot of glue here. Anyway, everything's all nice and neat. I did 4, 4, 3, 1. Not bad. Anyway, there's mine. This is what it looks like. And here's what it's sideways. There you have a nice frame of thing. So let's take our ring. Oops, I keep dropping everything. And there we go. It'll sit just like that. See it right there. Well, give me a good like and share this video. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so. And I'll see you guys in the next experiment. Bye, everybody.